Okay, I think I should be live right now. Let's quickly do this thing. I don't hear anything. So, my wife used my microphone, and I probably need to set the thing correct again. Oh wait, why do I? Oh, okay, this one. Um, okay, it's been some time since I did a proper live stream. It's very quickly planned. One of my kids is asleep. This one isn't. This one is not asleep. Oh, hoi, Nico is there. He is rather sleepy. Okay, let's quickly mute this one here. There are 3 people in the chat. Who is in the chat? So first of all, the thumbnail for this live stream, I know it's bad. I basically very quickly made it. I changed my keyboard, so I don't know the shortcuts for OBS, but yeah. I just quickly made it. I could not be bothered. It's a very random live stream. I was not planning on doing a live stream, but I've not been doing live streams in some time, and I really want to do something. I thought my webcam thing had kind of like a rounded corner, but apparently not. Filters? Filters? Oh, no. Well, yeah, that one's gone. Like I said, it's been some time since I did any type of live streaming. First of all, let's quickly pop out chat. Let's make this into a floating window. Or well, what? How will I do this? Hmm. Let's just put it on the left here. I do need my, well, let's first go with Discord. I do need these stats because that's basically how I'm doing this. And yes, I am following an OpenGL 3D tutorial on YouTube from Tin Matrix, which is Java. But somehow I find this still to be the easiest way to get started. Yes, not everything is exactly the same, but it works with some minor adjustments. If I quickly go into my loader, there are certain things that are not the same. By example, for a VBO or a VAO buffer, I will in lightweight Java game library, you will do GL gen vertex arrays, and that's what created. In C++, that's not the case because it actually requires arguments. Where was I? Hello, everyone. Hey, Meldal. Welcome to the stream. Java raw OpenGL, just like Minecraft. I am still surprised that a game like Minecraft can run properly with Java. As well, I have never really gotten that far with making something out of something with Java. So maybe performance is good enough. I'm not the kind of genius who can probably pull that off. He will probably fall asleep very, very soon. The other kid is already asleep. And yeah, whilst my arm is not hurting too much yet, let's get going. So right now, I'm working on the shader stuff. Oh. Yeah. I was working on the shader stuff. I basically need to load the shader in. I got this far. And that's about it. Basically, I need to get the data as a string and then pass it as a shader program. I'm following this feature, but as you can see, this is all Java, which just does not really work very well. So it's been a lot of figuring things out. It's a nice learning experience. I really needed a break from Golden to like work on something different. Yeah. It's been rough with the pain in my arm and in my leg, and it does not 100% go away. And yeah, I needed something relaxing to do, and for me, relaxing is learning new stuff. Um, there are 3 people in chat right now. I I do I do have to find out how to properly do this. What are you going to do with my microphone? Um, whilst I was at my kids' Yo-Chen, I did look up some stuff on my phone, so I'll probably just try to use that instead. Um, so yeah, if the shader thing is open, we print another, and then we should probably also exit the program. Um, I feel like I should window no input manager. I think I should close the window when that's the case. So we properly close the program. Or I can just do core engine terminate, and of course it's not going to work because I still need to include I am bad at C++. Let's say that to begin with. I am not great at it. Me showing this live is probably not the most, well, the best way to get take in mind I'm bad at it. I'm still learning. We should also close the window, so whoops. I'm probably trying to do way too much. Like I just want to make a simple game, and it almost looks like I'm trying to build like my own engine. So I want to put the maybe I should initialize the engine whilst also creating the main window inside of yeah, let's do it like that. So don't touch the microphone. Oh, hey, Voylin, was just about to go to bed when I saw you were going live. Good night. Good night. Yeah, the time zones between America and Europe and Japan, they're quite different. Japan is really a bad time zone to be live streaming at. I can comment on the C++ part, but I really don't know enough about OpenGL to have any idea what you should be doing. Baby getting bored? Are we getting baby noises ASMR? Yes, he will probably not last very long, and I don't want to put him down because he has a tendency to turn off my PC. Yeah, he's helpful like that. Okay, I shall probably make that, oops. Oh. I shall probably make this into a window class. Main window. Wait. But no, oh. No, not inline. I used a lot of inline stuff. Is that a bad thing or not? Like I'm doing a lot of static stuff in here. Like, is this something I should be doing, or should I create like a namespace for all of this and not have a class? Or yeah, there's a reason I put my PC on the desk and close to the wall. Yeah. Um, to give an example of how thick my desk is, it's under 2 centimeters. So putting my heavy PC on my desk, it's not a good idea. Like, I built this desk with yeah, very quickly, and there was not enough like things available, wood available, and I just choose the first, the best plank that I could find. Yeah. Okay, I hope people can see me. Yeah. Um. Okay, so main window. Why I think I still need. Okay, I will first take the plastic bags away because my kid likes them. Oh. Um, Yep, having kids. Why is it so dark? I'll first close my door as well. Okay, so now I'm matching constructor because I need to, let's say, the same constructor from here. Let's go back to car. Um, HPP as well. No, no. Oh, that was close. And and then in here we just pass all the things. So width, height. Oh, whoops. Height and title. Okay, and normally this should still run. In process. Okay. Main window dot get window. Okay. Nope, they're still giving errors. As for the class member, it pretty much does nothing. About inline, it doesn't mean what you probably think it does. Uh, I thought inline just makes it so it's you can like um, add the code inside of the header class. That's like the most annoying part. Like even now, I still find it kind of annoying to have a header class, a header file, and then the code file. Oh, I should probably have read that. If if main window. Hmm? Let's see if that's fine. Okay, what was the other? Inline allowance allows code outside of classes in header file when the header is in multiple translation units. Oh, hey! Wait, my cat is eating paper. Ai 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 ai, なんでそのことするの? Wait, where was the error coming from? So basically I'm using inline kind of wrong. Oh, shaded program. Wait, what's the problem here? Load shader. Int type. Why is error? Window does not name a type. Static. Ah, okay. Oh. Soka. This is not the best way to do things, I think. Static inline. Okay, so normally it should just a translation unit is basically each CPP. Ah, okay. If you don't use inline, you will get linking errors because the symbol is defined multiple times. Right now, I like it is also a big trust me bro to the compiler, and if you have multiple different definitions of an inline function, you may get results you aren't expecting. Yeah. So I better just don't put code inside of the header files, I guess. I've been doing that since every single time when I work with C++. Okay, how can I get rid of the unused parameter errors? Is there a way to get rid of that? Nope. Okay, let's just use void. How many people? Oh, there's 5 people watching now. A lot of silent people in chat. Error. Window does not name a type. Yeah, no. Oh, sorry. So window is not defined yet, so it's causing an error, I guess. I think that's probably what's happening. So class window, there will be a window class. If I do that, let's hope. Nope. No. 何している? I'm... Wait, why is it incomplete? Okay, so this one, let's just do that for now. So in engine window, error window does not name a type static window. Error window does not name a type. What is the problem here? Pum 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 pum. Unknown type name window. Window is window. I hate pointer stuff. Nope, and that does not work. What can I do about this? Let's first hide this one for now because I have other issues. How can I get my window back? Shizuka ni shite. Get main window. Let's just look it up. C++. Oh, So the forward declaration, that's basically what I tried to do inside of core. If I add class window, but this did not work. Yeah, I'm just includes window.hpp. I'm forward declaring it, but it's probably because I do this with the inline. If I were to do, oh, whoops. You need to use pointers. Let's first. I think the issue is the window class doesn't have an empty construct. Ah, yeah, that's possible. Oh. A static member needs to be initialized somehow. Okay, so so in core I still need to forward declare window. Oh wait, then I still need to use the pointer. If it is a class type, it will use the default constructor, but if there is no constructor, it will just give you an error. Um, oh. No need to forward declare it, it should work with the includes. No inline. Okay, I'm taking the bucket. No. um. Yeah. The window, the thing that whoops, is complaining about include core. Wait, do I need core? I don't need core, I think. Or do I? Yep, no, oh no, wait, include printer. Ah. Oh. Yeah, recursive include breaking things. Yeah. I kind of struggle with that whole part of like what to add where. Like I often feel like my classes need access to each other. And I know that's a bad thing in C++. It can cause issues. Wait, what was the other? Don't touch my PC, little hamster. Okay, so relocation against main window in read-only section, start up in it. Undefined reference to main window, main window, main window. It's yeah. The whole like classes needing access to each other. That's also something I'm trying to improve in Gozen as well. And Gozen also has that issue in some areas. I've been getting better at avoiding that, but somebody does not want to fall asleep. That. How many people are actually watching? Whoa, 16? Wait, it is, are there 16 people watching now? Wait, why? Wow. Wait, that's a new record. I've never had 16 people watching at the same time. That's okay. Welcome. I'm not even streaming on Twitch right now. Yeah, I don't. There's just like a tiny stream. This whole project is also supposed to teach me a little bit more about C++ and OpenGL, so I can more easily contribute to Godot. Yeah, it's a this project is a little bit for a lot of different areas. I want to get better at C++. I want to get better at OpenGL, maybe Vulkan, but yeah. Um, okay, but what? Everything started going wrong the moment that I started adding main window here. So, hey Bandit. So how about I remove this inside of a window? I'll add this. Let's also format this. I finally found out how to use Clang format, which was a pain. um, so we have our main window. Okay, normally. Oh yeah. In, in main, I don't have anything going on right now. This is just some test code to have. It's not a triangle that I'm actually building here. It's more like two triangles. I can change it. I can change it to one triangle later on. But anyway, So main window. So I do this window, main window. I should probably let's just make it a public variable for now because I cannot be bothered. Also, let's put it over here. Oh, whoops. So instead of our core HPP, this needs this. And that's a problem for future me, I was going to say, but did you mean get main window? Oh yeah, in core I still have the. Whoa, Noob does build try. I never lie in my titles. Did I really call it? Yeah, Noob builds triangle. Yeah. Oh crap! I forgot to read the message. Please don't make a static variable like this. What is a better way of doing things? Okay, inside of main.cpp, I just need to do window. The main windows can be stored in engine just fine. Yeah, but I'm getting errors. um, what is this error about? Undefined reference to window main window. Like this was working before I started. Like, Okay, so let's still put it in here. So static window main window. Let's put it back here. So in the window class, oh whoops. In the window class, let's remove the. Yeah, but you can solve them without moving where it is stored. core.cpp. Okay, so engine. How about I just do engine loop. void engine loop. I warned people in the beginning. Yeah, I don't 100% know what I'm doing. I I guess I can actually just do. Why am I doing this more difficult than it? I can just use do this. Okay, so I'm back where I started. Always funny to see the Vim commands showing up. Which Vim commands? And the main windows can be yeah, but you can solve them. Always funny to. So we have this. Well, don't touch my keyboards. So relocation against engine main window in read only section dot texts. Undefined reference to engine main window. Undefined reference. Why would there be an undefined reference? I guess that's because we need to. Allez. Stop touching my keyboard! Oi! Oi, Tanashine! Tanashine! Oh, that's what I get for teaching him where my keys are. I teach him which keys he can press, like the shift and such. No. Oh, Oh, hallelujah. Okay, so that one is working again. So yeah, you have to initialize it properly to declare. Also, it should be done in the CPP file. Yeah, he is programming with you. Yeah, he really wants to, but normally he falls asleep when I'm doing anything programming related. But for some reason, little baby is very active today. He had an afternoon, well, a morning nap of 10 minutes. Okay, let's declare it the proper way. Oh. Okay, and that still works. So we're one step closer. I can finally start. Whoops, where is my? Okay. I think I should choose. Oh yeah, no. Soka. Oh, okay, I did not know that it makes compiling slower. Yeah, I should probably like also focus. Then I should probably remove a lot of the inline stuff. Okay. I did write some things. That's something I like to do in Notepad on my phone. Try to like write ideas on like how to script something. I need to. Oh crap! Where did I put this? No. Okay. So back in my shader program. we need to read the file. So, I need a stream, a SCD stream buffer. I need a string stream, and let's just call it shader stream. And then if I remember it correctly, I need to take the shader file, and I don't move my keyboard. And I need to get the buffer. Autocorrect, please help me. Read buff. Okay. Now I need to get the string, which will be the shader itself, shader string. String. Oh, no, that won't work. Method. This was something that I was kind of afraid of doing in the beginning when I started working on Gozen, doing live streams about stuff that I did not 100% know, because I know how much of a noob I would look like. It's always kind of like out of my comfort zone to like show people how bad I actually am at coding. My biggest plus point, strong point is that I don't easily like to give up. Okay, but I do need, okay, so now I can kind of follow this, but I need to create a let's just call it source, and let's make this a but stop, that's my keyboard. And then he has that sneaky smile after he touched my keyboard. He knows that he's doing something that he should not do. He's a sneaky little cavia. Oh. Wait. Object backing the pointer will be destroyed at the end of the full expression. So I cannot do that. Shader source. Let's create shader. Shader str.c. Okay. Stop. How is the volume actually of my microphone? Because I don't know if it's too loud or too soft. If I look instead of here, man, it's in the orange, so it should be loud enough. You know what? Let's also go live on Twitch. Why not? I will need to create. I don't know if I'm logged in, so let's quickly put in here. Also, I had a shower. It's hot outside. My hair goes everywhere now. Twitch. Let's see. How does Twitch work again? Oh, wow. No. How? Why? Okay, so stream. Okay, let's get the chat, pop out chat, and I can't show my screen again. Also, quick thank you to all my co-supporters. Let's quickly mention that as well. Thank you very much. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. And let's put YouTube on top. Also, no, F11, F11, no. Voila. So the top border is gone. We have one viewer, that's probably me. I should probably edit the live stream. Noob, building, triangle, GLFW, and C++. Voila. Oh, I think that's good enough. Okay, so back to here. Okay, so it's me on Twitch. Me too on Twitch. I don't know like how far I am of getting. I don't know if it's like called monetizing or monetized on anything on Twitch, but yeah. I want to get more into live streaming, but yeah. Oh wow, wow! I had drop off. 6 people left. Oh well. Okay, so where was I? Dun, 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 dun. So basically, I can follow this more right now. So we read the shader file into a string, and now we create the shader. And for creating the shader, I will need a gluint and shader ID. Can I GL create shader? Oh yeah, the type. How? Oh, how does he do it? So he's just enters the type. Is it type an enum? Okay, so let's create it. GL enum. Oh. So I just put the type in here, and that should be enough. It's been a lot of like going back and forth between learnopengl.com and this series. Yeah, the Java version is easier to use because of the whole lightweight Java game library. Like it is a lot easier compared to just doing everything in C++. But downside with Java is that everything is a class, but I'm kind of working in all classes anyway, so it does not really matter too much, I guess. Maybe I should work with like a namespace, or yeah, probably not. Okay, are you going to play again? He's not getting sleepy. Okay, and I am showing my screen, right? Yeah. Oh. I'm getting old. My arm hurts, my leg hurts. And every now and then I'm getting pains in my chest for no apparent reason, just from moving in the wrong way. On the positive side, I do know why I have pain in my arm and pain in my leg. Yeah. Apparently I'm very good at stressing myself out. So we have our shader ID, and then GL shader source. Okay, wait, does that... What do I need? We need the shader ID, so... shader source and null. Okay, so I think that should be enough. Okay, and then just compile shader. GL compile shader ID. Oh. And I guess we should return the shader ID as well. And then I want to check if compiling is actually, if it was successful or not. So let's copy paste that. Oh. And that is fixed. Okay. Oh. Okay, and if that is not correct, then we basically terminate the engine. Okay. So far so good. I think this normally gives a GL in, so let's just do that correctly. Okay, normally I don't think I need to return anything, but well, let's just return the shader ID. It's not like it matters too much, I guess. Okay, so that's if successful. Next up, what do we need to do? Is my desktop audio on? Nope. Okay, good. Oh, average stream bitrate too high. So YouTube keeps complaining that it's too low. Twitch, that is too high. Okay, so my shader program. So I have my vertex shader, fragment shader, program ID. Shader program. Oh. Fragments file. Okay, so shader program. It is technically yeah, let's just put it here. So shader program. So vertex shader ID is load shader vertex file, and over here GL vertex. Okay. And then I do the same for the fragment shader. Okay. And then I still need to create a program ID. Shader is where the real fun begin. Yeah. That's okay, and program ID. Wait, did I? Yeah. Create a program. Okay. So GL attach shader. On its own, I feel OpenGL is not too difficult. Once you get like the basics done, it really is easy to work with from what I remember. Yeah, the whole setup process is, yeah. Oh, whoops. Program ID and vertex shader ID. FX. Okay. Then we need to link the program and validate the program. Okay, this should normally not do anything. Yeah, I still don't have my rectangle or triangle or whatever it is. Yeah. So we need a void start, stop, bind attributes. Oh. And then a cleanup. Shaded program. For stop, GL use program 0. For start, I need the same thing, but then just pass the program ID. Stop, and then GL detach shader program ID, vertex shader ID, and a fragment shader. Um, okay. Bind attribute and bind attributes. Attributes. String. And then there's just a variable name. So this will be used for connecting to the shaders themselves. So if I go into my fragment shader, for example, I have my in, my outs. That should be for yeah, basically color will be the name that I need to pass for the variable name to bind the attribute. Okay, so I am skipping a lot in this video because I have gone through this 4 times, 5 times. I never act like I always made it so I can see the triangle, and I like loading models and such. That's an area that I've never really went into. But not today. This time I will actually try to achieve something. Wait, share the program. Program ID. Attribute, and then the variable name. Okay. Dot CSTR. Okay. I guess. Okay. Well, anyway. So let's create a static shader now. HPP. Let's add this here. Let's create the CPP file as well. Pragma bonds, and I create a class static. Oh, whoops, static shader. How extend a C++ class? How do you extend a class in C++? Okay, so I do a public shader program. I will probably also need to. Okay. So that problem is solved. Okay, and this is something that I remember that was kind of a pain when I tried to do this with C++. Static const std string src shaders. Oh. GLSL. Expected member name or nope. Wait, why can I not? I should probably close that one. Why can I not create a string here? I remember that this was an issue as well last time. What did I do last time? How many people are watching? It's still 9 people. There's always so many people like in the chat just existing. Oh wait, yeah, no, I forgot the name. That's fine. Vertex file and fragment file. Public. This really is Noob trying to build a triangle. um, I guess I should just, oh, whoops. Static shader. Vertex file. Fragment file. Let's make those capital. No. Wait, how can I... Wait, what are you doing to my chair? Oh god. So I need to create an... How would I do this in... So I'm... So extend the class and now I need to... Okay, let's quickly look that one up. So C++ extends a class, but how can how would I look that up? So I'm extending a class and I need to of base class and of course Stack Overflow. Oh, that's simple code. Okay, so I need to do shader program. That's it. Okay. But now I need to override the bind attributes function. How C++, how make overridable function. Against Stack Overflow. Okay, so I should, instead of my shader program, oh, whoops. Shader program, oh. I thought it was sleeping. I need to make this a virtual voids, and then inside of no, inside of here I need to voids. Overrides. Wait, what did I say? So I guess inside of here now inside of first includes static shader. Okay, and I don't think I need to override here. So now I don't think I can do super. I probably just need to do bind attributes 0, and I bind that to positions. Position. But I think I only have vertex shader. I think I only have pos. Let's just call it positions just to make it not too difficult for myself. Okay. So we have this going. Engine. Let's create a static shader. Static shader is okay, and inside of init, let's inside of here, let's create a shader. So I think I just need to do nani. Nande tieni. Okay. Okay, we went to 4 people in chat. 4 people watching. Come. Yeah, somebody's getting sleepy, I think. It won't take much longer before he falls asleep. Hopefully. So we have a static shader. Engine. Up. Static shader, and I just do this. So I think that should be enough, but this will probably give some issues because it will try to create a shader whilst, yeah, it's not set up yet. Window is null felt. Yeah, user debug. GLF set window should close assertion window is not null felt. why is this the case? It's probably because window does not exist, or okay, so oh wait, it's a build error. So I won't get any prints. Fail to open shader file. First of all, it also tries to. How can I make the main shader not load yet? How can I make that a null? I think that should become a pointer. So if I make that into a pointer, I don't like this. Why does it not work? Okay, so that's how I create a pointer. For HTTP. Okay, so it's a null pointer. So I guess I don't really. Let's just leave it there. So main shader is a null pointer, and in here I should set main shader is equals to static shader. Okay, how do I do pointer stuff? C++, how assign a pointer variable. Okay, so oh wait, okay, just do that. No. Oh wait. Oh wait, I need to do this. Oh no, oops. Just n? Where should I put the n? Well, you also have to allocate it. So I could this. No. Oh, okay. And then I guess I just need to use the shader program. So if I just main shader dot start, and here main shader dot stop. Also no need for the also no need for the star when assigning the pointer. It's when you use it. Okay. Any reason you can't have a default shader that works without using a pointer in the first place? Because I cannot in Oh yeah, yeah, this reason. Oh, so it's trying to create a static shade. Wait, may run. Oh, whoopsie. Yes, bugs are not fun. So the GL, it's not initialized, but it's short. Why does it keep going? It should normally stop when it cannot. We should terminate the engine. Why don't we terminate when something bad happens? Wait, engine terminating? Yes. We should close the window. And normally, if we go into main.cpp. Oh wait, it tries to terminate here again. Yeah, but it should stop. Oh, no. Oh, you're getting sleepy now, but you don't want to sleep. Okay, you want to play again? No, he does not want to play. Okay, I think he's reaching his limit. Okay. Oh wow. I will just exit with minus. Oh. Okay, so Naniga. It should stop. Why? Wait. That was different. Hi. Oh. Happy baby? Happy baby? Dozo. Okay, he's happy. I gave him a controller. Okay, let's see. What is our okay, so the library is not initialized. Okay, what is the main issue here? It has to do with the static shader. I think if only I could. Wait, how can I oh, how can I put the text that make prints inside of a file? Let's see. Let's go to trusty old Google. In Linux, how gets output of a command in a file? I thought it was like this. Make no such file or directory. Oh wait, no. It's make run and then the name of the file. So let's. Okay. So fail to open shader file, fail to open shader file, engine terminating. It's not terminating. It is just, yeah. Okay, so the issue is that it just does not stop the program. Wait, so it is trying, no, wait. It is trying to create the shaders. It's failing to open the files, but it's also trying to open the files before the engine is actually ready. So we just initialize it too early. If I go into core, and then core here. Like I tried to put it as 0, but apparently that does not work. Yeah, no, it's still trying to create a shader before GLFW. It's basically creating the shader before it's ready. Okay, so fail to open shader file. So it tries to start. Oh, it tries to create the shader before GLFW is ready, even though it's supposed to be a null pointer. Why is it doing that? Like I'm defining it as a null pointer. Naniga. Naniga. Nimitai na anata. Nimitai? Oi. Naniga. Nani. Okay, I'll quickly look if I have something for him to eat or drink. I'll be right back. Okay, let's see if he's happy with a sembe, a rice cracker. Okay, there you go. Oh. はい、ちゃんと食べてね。はい。ちゃんとあーして。I think he enjoys it. Well, I'll have to clean tomorrow. はい。幸せ？幸せ。Okay. He's happy. He's happy for now. Sembe is magic. Yeah. Without Sembe, we would have a much more difficult time. Okay. I don't think I don't need that one for some time. I need to figure out why this does not work. Why is a static shader trying to create itself before it exists? Yeah. Like I'm defining it as a null point, so why does it like run? Ah, C++. And some points I like C++, and other points I don't understand it. I think it's because I'm defining it as a pointer. Or should I do this? No. Should I do this? Nope. Main. I initialize the window with engine. I'm creating the main window. Also, if you weren't using statics everywhere, I think it would still be an issue because engine would still need to like initialize, and this like the main shader is part of. Could make a proper singleton instead. Yeah. Hmm. Can I not just like define as like a variable like this and just say like, okay, it's empty. It's empty. Like, why is this so difficult in C++? Why can I not do this? Main shader is null. No viable conversion from to static shader. I might have to do it like that, I guess. But I don't see in what way it will. Oh wait, yeah, no, that one. Oh wait, somebody's at the door. Who can it be? And I'm back. Family visit. And this one is getting hungry. It's time for dinner. Sembe is not good enough anymore, apparently. Yeah. Because you're not supposed to have living objects. It's unusable state time to pick up my kids. I better well check it out later to see the problem. Thank you. Good luck picking up your kids. My kids never wants to leave the Yochen, the kindergarten. He always wants to keep on playing. Um, hmm. So what do I do with this? Um, this is kind of annoying. How can I? Um. Oh, and now I also lost my phone. Okay, C++. How can I create a class that does not run the constructor? I really wanted to get no. I really want to get this thing going so I could have an actual like triangle. The point of the video, the point of the live stream. Hmm. How many people are still watching? I don't imagine a lot of people being interested in watching this. 3 to 4 people. Well, it's something. So far I've been streaming for how many hours? For almost 2 hours. And on Twitch, as usual, only one viewer. No. Okay. No. Um. I. I guess in core I can make this into a shader program. And then in here I can create this, make this into a static shader. And this can work. Oh no. Stop hitting your head against the microphone. And this is why I don't live stream anymore recently, because this one is refusing to take an afternoon nap, and that just gives me no time at all. So undefined reference to engine main shader. Why is this an issue again? I had same issue with the window. Um, 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 and of course, no, that's my fault. Oh, oops. Ale. Okay, and this should work. And initializing. Okay, so it can still not find the files. Okay, so how can I find the files? Failed to open shader file. So it cannot find the file, and for what reason I have no idea. Wait, no, I think I know. Shader SRC engine. Engine shaders, vertex. Oh, whoops. Fragment shader. Wait, it's still using the. It's still not giving me my triangle. Okay, what else I need to do? Um, core and terminates. Main shader cleanup. Hmm. Okay, wait. So we want to start it and then stop it each time. Here you go. I don't think this will work. What did I tell you? I'm doing something wrong and I don't know what. But I don't have a triangle, I don't have a rectangle, I have nothing. Yeah, nope. It should display something, but it does not. Okay, it's the last part, and then you won't cry because you don't have any senbei anymore. Here you go, the last part. And please keep behaving nicely. Okay, so engine initializing, initialized, loop started, and then it's just, yeah, does not show anything. And my other kid is awake. Yeah, I think I will stop for now because my other kid is awake. This one is getting hungry and it's time for dinner, I guess. So yeah, anyway, a big thank you to all my Ko-fi supporters. Without these people, I will not be able to keep, well, working on Gozen and such. I am taking a small break for the next week because of my parents visiting. My parents will be visiting for around a week. We don't really have that many plans, but yeah, basically spending family time together. So I basically won't really get much work done on Gozen. After that, it's trying to get Gozen ready for beta. Anyway, I'm getting kind of tired, and this one as well. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you a little later. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye. He still cannot do a lot of things, so yeah. Alright, thanks for watching. See you next time.